checar. No veo bien.
There are people on Cinderella's castle. Wow, the lightning storms coming down on us. We're still waiting to hear whether or not we are gonna watch fireworks tonight. It's kind of odd seeing people up there. And it's still pouring rain.
Y luego le estoy diciendo a Pedro que me vaya a comprar un pancho.